If we're fighting the middle, I guess it makes the most sense to use the middle. Yeah, you might also notice all this Carmen imagery. That's because I finally decided before I started recording today I was gonna uptie a certain Ishmael. I guess I won't spoil that for those of you who haven't gotten her to uptie 4 yet. Not that it really matters, but oh, I love this fellow. His ego gift is actually so great. I'm not being sarcastic. It sounds like I am, but seriously, it is actually a goated ego gift. You know, if you're asking me what assistance I would like, frankly, I would just really like to go to, like, the 5th section of this and be done with it. Okay, so can I kill you and then deal with all these people? Cause like, this is some foreboding to it. Oh wait, okay, so for every one of these you kill, I guess. Oh wait, what's that icon? Why does it just, they just debuff their team? Okay, let me read the rest of this passive. Oh, okay, that makes a lot more sense now why she's so weak. Oh, we just need to kill the, I think, the stuffed toy part. So this actually shouldn't be too hard. In theory, I mean, I think we just need to make sure we only hit Ishmael. Okay, let's get into it. I mean, let's just make sure she's dead, because we don't want that 40% damage. Okay, wait. Was that intentional? I'm gonna have you do that. Oh, new skill. Oh, okay, wait, what? Skill unopposed attack. Wait, is this bamboo-headed Kim?
Man, you got that shit on, twin. Damn, throw the cake, throw the cake.
Bamboo-headed Kim, welcome back. Well, that's fine. Let's lock in real quick. We will defend that. Can you lose? I need someone to lose. Okay, let's focus on him for now, I guess, because I think it's more efficient to do this where we're just knocking one out at a time. This isn't unbreakable. Okay. Is it on use? No, it is not. Okay. So you have to lose. Oh. I think by him losing, we'll get a bunch of good stuff. Because we'll get that you win skill, and I think that heals me. So, great minds think alike. I mean, Matthias isn't that great of a mind, but they definitely are thinking alike right now. I figure it's better to do this now. Get a couple extra ego resources for later, because we kind of ate them all in that last fight. Ooh. Why, thank you. What a nice little girl. Okay, we have one more turn basically to knock them all out. So let's get you both on them. Let's make sure you kill them. Does anyone have attack power down right now? Oh, Heathgardo. Well, that sucks. But I guess that also means we can go kind of wild this turn too. So, whatever, it is what it is. We just have to make sure those two die. Reasonable crash out. Okay. I think we should knock this out, actually. Yeah, this is... Well, actually, wait, no, I'm not even going to say anything, because I'm pretty sure there were 2 more stages, and the next one's Hohenheim, and I don't know what kind of roids he's going to be on, so I'm just going to assume the next one is going to make me, I don't know, it's going to make me distort or something. Why, thank you. She's so nice. Okay, so... Oh, perfect. And you're right at the end? Awesome. Okay. And now we have to kill everyone else. And I get some aggro. Really, I want to get rid of at least one of these two. You, I mean... I'm not too concerned. It should be fine. Even if we take the 40% damage, I'm hoping Hohenheim's whole thing is just do a bunch of DPS like it normally is. But... because by then, we'll probably have Levitain pretty much unsealed? Okay, that's one down. That was a really flashy 5 damage. Good for them. Please heal us. Thank you. Honestly, I'm pretty sure they've probably healed us more than they've hurt us. Okay, that's not going to take too much work to get rid of. So let's just... Who is down? Okay, Kira... Oh, perfect, and she has an envy skill. Yeah, we have plenty of time. Okay. Kira, what are you doing? Okay. What are you doing? Wait. The way my heart just stopped. Alright, the rest is just beat the life out of them, hopefully heal back everything. And then wipe out Hohenheim. Yeah, wait, this is basically... I need to make sure I'm reading this right. Okay, so we do need to beat the class, but we need most people to guard, so that's fine. That... we can do that. Maybe not, actually. Not gonna lie. Why? Oh, okay. Just need a little bit of enemy res.
거긴
Just a bit of.
개소리다. 갖고 놀기. 틀렸다.
Alright. So unsealing should be good. Now, just need to beat the life out of them.
이렇게 박살 내버리는 거다. 다 파악하고 터진 것이
Okay, is anything new here? Okay, so we just need to... I think it's the same as normal. I'm just gonna assume it's the same as normal. I know reading got me killed last time with the dragon, but I still really hate reading, guys. I'm sorry. I'm a Project Moon fan.
불에 더 키워.
불사이군.
장난이 괴롭군. 난 사냥이다. 얼얼하지?
징계팀 직원이라면 당연한 판단이긴 해. 잘했다는 칭찬을 생각하는 게 좋겠지?
털만한 것들.
이거 공감 맞지? 그렇지. 바로 그거다. 브레이크 슬램.
Okay, so far so good. Honestly, not really... Okay, shield time, but even with that, like even knowing that that is gonna happen, nothing all that scary, frankly. I mean, honestly, it's kind of scarier that I can't just straight up kill them right now. But you know what? That's fine.
거쳐내. 새겨주지.
I probably should actually use the teddy bear a couple more times before we're done with this.
불사이군.
얼얼하지?
복지팀에서 전원 배치된 거야? 그렇지 않고서야 이런 황당한 선택을 할 리가 없는데.
아니, 와, 씨, 거기서 그렇게 한다고?
Yeah, I feel that, Kira.
털만한 것들.
게이지 X. 바로 그거다. 브레이크 슬램. 그 전위적인 헛짓거리는 어디서
Okay, we're almost at stagger though. I still don't think we're really gonna have that much of an issue. Do we do nails? Double nails? Okay, we're going all out. Yeah, we're going all out actually. We're just gonna nuke. I'm not seeing too much of a reason not to yet.
당신도 꽂혀보세요. 누군가에게 저주받는 기분이 어떤 것인지. 통상배탈 일시방장.
장부를 펼칠 것도 없겠군. 믿지 않아. 나는 분명 가위를 내겠다고 했을 텐데.
정의보다도 풍자로 생명 속에 파묻힌 그대가 여기서 빛이 무벽을 막는 증오스러운 나와 그대의 힘을 합쳐 위대한 아르카나 슬레이머!
우리 덕키와 난 사양이다.
게이지 맥스.
Oh. I think someone died. I wasn't just talking about this guy. Damn. Okay. I mean, 1K is nice, but damn, I wasn't expecting to see those big numbers here. Hello. Okay, what's your deal this time? Okay, so we need to break the shield again. Man. I'm pretty sure that's enough, right? Oh, maybe I should use Teddy Bear for the free ego resources. It's fine.
반쯤 죽여버려. 시험을 좀 이하게 맞추고 그게 제격이지.
Okay. Let's see. Again, all section 5. I really hope this isn't triggered. I feel like it might be triggered by poise count, just based off the fact both of these other ones are poise. But I'm a little more scared of this. You know what? I'm gonna get rid of that. Okay, let's sever the thread. If we can get rid of its poise, then honestly, I'd prefer to do that. I don't want to be dealing with crits anyway. And if that's a way to tamper with the skill somehow, then whatever. You know, I totally forgot that this counts as just like one thing. Okay. So how many turns are we at? We have... Actually, I feel like we're making pretty good time. So, 2, 23... Okay, 36 turns. And I think, what do we need for the cool thing? 111? Yeah, we'll make it before then. The real question is, how hard are these guys gonna be? I mean, these guys have always been annoying. And that was out in the story. So, if they're nerfed, we're probably just gonna steamroll them. I think I'm gonna go back to good old-fashioned House of Spiders right now. But if they are not nerfed, then this could be really, really long. I'm hoping it won't. And is this... Okay, it's the same thing. If... I have made a critical error